Hello everyone, this is Ezekiel with Shoe Slide, and today I'm going to be unboxing a new pair of Oxford shoes. Now this particular shoe comes from Justin Fitzpatrick brand. Justin Fitzpatrick brand is probably my favorite shoe brand right now. Justin Fitzpatrick is a shoemaker. He's known as the Shoe Snob on social media, and I've visited his shop in New York City a couple times now, and the last time I was there I picked this pair of shoes up, and this is a really unique pair of shoes. I'm really excited to wear these because these are a very unique color and they have a couple of different material combinations. Now as you can see, this box is in the J. Fitzpatrick signature red color. So let's go ahead and open this up. Very cool design to the box here, just slides out. Some black paper here, and each shoe comes in its own very durable flannel red bag. Let's go ahead and get these out. So it is a very nice touch that each shoe has its own flannel bag. This would be great if I need to travel with the shoes. I can toss them in the bag and make sure that the polish doesn't get messed up. Now when I purchased these shoes, I did purchase the J. Fitzpatrick shoe trees along with them. And I do like that the shoe trees are in that signature J. Fitzpatrick red. All right, so let's take a look at these. These are in blue marble leather, and they do have a touch of blue suede. Now this particular shoe is an Oxford shoe, but specifically it is an Adelaide Oxford. And you can notice an Adelaide Oxford by the design around the lacing system here. And Justin Fitzpatrick did a great job adding the suede to that Adelaide piece here, and I can say that is really unique looking. I don't think I've seen a pair of shoes like this before, especially in that blue marble patina. I'm really excited to wear these. They do have a narrow tapered toe, and that is something that I really like about J. Fitzpatrick's designs. So he does have a style that is very unique. I would say it's a blend between the classic English Oxford and the more stylish Italian style design, because it's not as bulbous, it's not as thick as a classic English style Oxford. It's a little more sleek, but again, it's not as chiseled as an Italian style shoe. Another unique feature about these shoes that I really appreciate is the pitched heels. So as you can see, there's a slight indentation to the heel where it's pitched forward, and that is a really neat feature. I'm a big fan of that look. Now let me know if you guys own any pair of Adelaides, and if you own any pair of J. Fitzpatricks. Go ahead and leave a comment and let me know what you think of the brand, what you think of the shoe. Thank you for watching.